Good evening. We are here at the Prestwich home in Provo. We can do a repair test there on that damaged shingle. We're going to take a look around, see where we're at. So let's get started. So what we're going to do, we're going to remove and replace this shingle. We're going to document any potential consequential damage that occurs while we do so. So here's our damage there. Our overlaps currently do not have any damage. First thing we have to do is break these seals to get to the nails. Okay, so now we can get to that one. And that one looks like we already got some material transfer going on. So we break those seals. So here's our overlap. If you look there, you can see through the matting to the fiberglass, or to the protective layer of asphalt into the fiberglass. And on the other side, you can see where the underlying shingle transferred material onto this overlapping shingle. So this underlapping shingle and these ones are currently now damaged due to the repair, but we will continue to remove the shingle and replace it. Just so you're aware, we are on a 10-12 pitch, so the angle might be a little bit difficult. Looks like there's some material transfer here as well from the underlapping shingle. Delamination right there. So those two shingles are damaged due to delamination as well, which is when the seal strip between these two laminated pieces of shingle, they unadhere and then they don't ever adhere back together, which means that the shingle is, oh, the nail head on that just came right off. So that one's okay. We're done with that. We got one more nail that we need to get. That one is also delaminated. Go ahead and we'll replace that right here. Slide that piece back in and make sure to nail it along the nail strip so it'll grab both of those pieces. There is where the nail head broke off, so we're gonna just, whoops. Re-nail that. do this. Creases right here. Some creases up through that one. So the shingle's reinstalled. If you look here, we got a pretty decent crease here, there. Looks like we got another one here as well. And then just to emphasize again the material transfer. If you look there, breaking those caused the material to stick to this underlying shingle, which ripped the material off of the overlapping shingle.